The importance of organizing customer conferences. Customer conferences are an essential bridge between businesses and customers, playing an important role in modern business strategy. The event brings many meanings to businesses. Gratitude to customers. Show appreciation to customers who have trusted and supported the business during the past time. Building relationships. Meet, interact and build good relationships with potential customers and new partners. Brand promotion. Introducing new products and services, strengthening brand image. Building corporate culture. Demonstrating the professionalism, civilization and class of the enterprise. Organizing customer conferences not only creates benefits for businesses, but also brings great value to participating customers and partners. Understand more about the business. Learn about the culture, products, services, and commitments of the business. Receive incentives. Have the opportunity to receive attractive gifts and incentives from businesses. Expand relationships. Meet, interact, and build relationships with people who use the same products and services. Enhance your experience. Participate in interesting, entertaining activities and receive thoughtful care. With more than 16 years of experience, Hoabinh Events Group confidently brings solutions to organize professional, classy and impressive customer conferences. If you need to organize a customer conference, please contact Hoabinh Events immediately through our hotline 0939.311.9 1109 13.3 11.9 11 for 24/7 advice and support.